In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bullet lists in OneNote with keyboard shortcuts. If you take a lot of notes, bullet points make ideas easier to scan, outline, and reorder. Using a few quick keys, you can create clean bullet lists without ever touching the mouse, which keeps you focused and fast. First, go to OneNote and open the page where you want to work. Click into the spot where you want your list to begin so your cursor is ready. To start a bulleted list instantly, press Ctrl+Period. You'll see a bullet appear, and you can begin typing your first item right away. If you prefer, you can use Ctrl+Shift+L instead. Both shortcuts toggle bullets on and off, so pressing the same shortcut again will end the list when you're done. As you add points, keep your hands on the keyboard to shape the structure. When you want to create a sub-bullet, press Tab. That increases the indent level of the current line and turns it into a nested bullet. This is perfect for adding details, examples, or steps beneath a main idea. If you go too far or decide a line should be promoted back up, press Shift+Tab to decrease the indent level and return it to the previous tier. A quick tip for smooth formatting. Make sure your cursor is anywhere on the line you want to change before pressing Tab or Shift+Tab. OneNote will adjust the entire bullet level of that line. If a line doesn't move as expected, check that it's part of the list and not separated by an extra blank paragraph. You can also apply these shortcuts to lines you've already typed. Place your cursor on a line and press Ctrl+Period or Ctrl+Shift+L to convert it into a bullet. If you have a few lines that should all become a list, select them first, then use the same shortcut to format them together in one go. From there, Tab and Shift+Tab will refine the hierarchy as needed. When you've finished your list, remember that your bullet toggle works both ways. Hit Ctrl+Period or Ctrl+Shift+L again, and OneNote stops creating bullets on the next line, letting you continue with normal text. That's it. Open OneNote, toggle bullets with a single shortcut, shape your structure with Tab and Shift+Tab, and toggle off when you're finished. With a little practice, these keystrokes will become second nature and your notes will stay neat, organized, and easy to follow.